Today I'm going to be showing you the PotinPot cooking method using your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. Here on YouTube, I share Instant Pot stuff with you every single week. Today, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about what is the PotinPot method. You've probably heard this term before and you may not know what it means. Basically, it just means you're using some sort of dish, pan, pot inside of your Instant Pot to cook the food in rather than cooking it directly in the liner. Why would you want to do this? The reason is your Instant Pot needs liquid to come to pressure. Let's say you're cooking something that you don't want a ton of liquid in, or let's say you're cooking something that has thickeners in like flour or cornstarch and you don't want those to burn to the bottom of your Instant Pot. All you do is pile the ingredients into a separate pan or pot that fits inside of your Instant Pot, pour 1 1/2 cups of liquid into the bottom of your Instant Pot liner, lower the pan that has your ingredients in it on a trivet inside of your Instant Pot, and then cook it this way. That way, the food will cook the way it's supposed to. Let's say it's a lasagna, and it will cook inside that vessel that's inside of your Instant Pot. And it won't be extra liquidy at the end or runny because it's not getting any of that liquid that you added into the bottom of the pot to bring the pot to pressure. I hope this makes sense to you. It's a little confusing. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how to use the PotinPot method. And I show you how I make an apple cake in my Instant Pot using that PotinPot method.
In order to do pot-in-pot cooking in your Instant Pot, you're gonna need a pan, a dish, something that fits inside of your Instant Pot liner, this thing right here. And I have some examples of those. So here is a springform pan. This is a cake pan. This one is actually a 3-quart Instant Pot liner that fits inside a 6-quart Instant Pot liner. So it was, it's nonstick and it cost me about 11 or 12 bucks online. So it's very affordable. This is a stainless steel pan. All of these I have ordered on Amazon and I can link to all of them. What's important is that they will hold up under pressure. An oven-safe dish is generally just perfect to use. I also have a little mini bundt cake pan, and I like to use that for cakes and like breads and things like that. You're gonna need a trivet. I have the trivet. This one came with one of my Instant Pots, and I bought this one online. It's a silicone sling that you can use, and I like this one personally the best, but this one also works great. Pour the minimum amount of liquid in order to bring your pressure cooker to pressure inside your Instant Pot liner. Now for the 6-quart, that is about 1 1/2 cups. For the 8-quart, you're going to need about 2 cups. Then whatever you're cooking, you're going to pile the food, the ingredients, into the pan. Let's say you're making lasagna, then you want to make it pretty big, so you're going to use this bigger dish. You'll layer the lasagna according to the directions, and then you will place it on a sling or trivet that you have, and you'll lower the dish into the Instant Pot. I'm actually going to show you what I'm doing today. I'm making an apple cake, an apple cinnamon cake. So the water is in the bottom. You definitely need the water to make it come to pressure. And then you can just lower that in. See how that fits in so nicely, and there is still room around the edges. And cover the Instant Pot. Secure the lid. Make sure the valve is set to sealing, not to venting. And then set the timer for whatever you need it for. For this cake, I'm going to do manual, and it's on high pressure, which is the default. And I'm setting it to 40 minutes. Okay, so the cake is done, and I've just let it naturally pressure release. I'm going to move the lid off. And I just pulled it out, and I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes. And here's what it looks like when you turn it out onto the plate.
Thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like, you can join the 365 Days of Instant Pot Recipes Facebook group. We'll see you over there.